Alright, so for this week, we need to show that we know how to do advanced searches. I know in the description you gave us some examples of what to search, and you said they were examples, but I actually really would like to use one of those because I am going to be a teacher at some point, and I'm very interested in, and you said that the example that we choose, we may use it later on in the semester. And if that is true, I would like to learn more about that. So I am going to do some searches on health and fitness in the classroom, because I really think that you can incorporate health and fitness in the classroom even if you're not a PE teacher. And I think it would also help kids, especially kids that can't keep still for a whole 6, 7, 8 hour day, and need some kind of movement. So my first example will be in Boolean. I don't know if I'm even pronouncing that right, but I'm going to do an and search. So it would be health and fitness in classroom. I have articles and book chapters right here. Effects of blending classroom-based intervention. Effects of classroom and virtual lifetime fitness for health. Can search. You can see all right here that there's multiple things to click on. You want to look for books and media, articles and book chapters, all of that. Now I'm going to use the R, health, R, fitness, another one. And in the not, I think I'll do health, not, let's see what example. Not to search, cloning, not sheep. Okay, well, we don't want it to not pick up health, not unhealthy. Alright, so that was in Boolean. Now we need to do a search in PubMed. And you said to find three articles. 1, 2, 3. There's definitely a plus to health and fitness in the classroom, but some people don't believe it. Okay, I left this one open because I needed to remember how to spell how we're looking up stuff. Alright, so health in the classroom. And now we need to do a lower. I'm actually going to go back and do the first one again because I didn't have in fitness in my search bar. I'm not a robot. What is going on? And then the @ symbol. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty cool. And it brings you to all the Facebook things. At Facebook, Health and Physical Education Teaching Resources, Health and Fitness School. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I did the 3 searches in Google. I did the 1 search in PubMed and pulled up 3 different journals. Can't think of the word at the moment. And then I did the 3 different searches and not in Boolean. I hope I did this right. If not, I tried my best. I'm not tech savvy when it comes to the internet, but I somehow figure it out. And I hope later on in the semester, the example that we use for this assignment, we get to use later on, because I actually really would like to do some research on health in the classroom, health and fitness in the classroom, even if it's not a PE class, because I think that that can really help kids out in the long run. All right.